Hi, I'm Dennis. The primary purpose of Secure by Design is to prevent unauthorized access. And today, I'm going to show you how to make unauthorized access a relic of the past with AuthN by IDEE. There are three paths to unauthorized access. Either you use a stolen credential, exploit a vulnerability, or you go through the back door. The use of stolen credentials are responsible for more than 80% of all breaches in the last 5 years. In the latest Verizon data breach investigation report, they found that external actors were responsible for more than 83% of all breaches, and 49% of them use stolen credentials. Only 5% of all external attacks exploit a vulnerability. The latest report by the NCSC and the National Crime Agency found that most ransomware incidents are not due to sophisticated attack techniques, but due to lack of MFA. And the reason is because with the right credential, you can access almost anything on the internet. And that's why ransomware gangs such as LapSuS are recruiting insiders for credentials. The good news is, all credential-based attacks can be prevented, and that's what we do at IDEE. AuthN by IDEE is a phish-proof MFA that prevents all credential phishing and password-based attacks. Our patented absolute zero trust architecture also prevents insider threats. You don't have to worry about admins becoming initial access brokers. And here is how it works. Admin connects services with IDEE. The user unlocks their device to register for the first time. And cryptographic keys are provisioned on the user device. You just unlock your device to log in. And that's it. Passwords eliminated. No password is ever needed. Transitive trust. We give you a verifiable assurance that a transaction was carried out on a trusted service by a trusted device coupled to a trusted user and authorized under the user's total control. What else do you need? Simplicity. AuthN by IDEE is easy to use and fits for purpose. If you can unlock your device, you can use AuthN by IDEE. Security shouldn't be a barrier. It should be an enabler of productivity, trust, and confidence. And that's exactly what we do at IDEE. We enable people and organizations to securely navigate the online world with absolute confidence. Use case 1, Deka Bank. Deka Bank is the central asset manager of the Sparkassen Finance Group and one of the largest security services providers in Germany. Today, Deka Bank is using AuthN by IDEE to allow its partner banks manage their entire investment portfolio online. With AuthN by IDEE, the bank has eliminated password threats for the past 3 years. And that's the total cost savings of 600K per year. Use case 2, ERGO. Munich Re found that 90% of ransomware attacks starts with a phishing. And today, ERGO, a Munich Re company, is using AuthN by IDEE to help insurance brokers prevent the root cause of ransomware, thereby reducing cyber insurance risk to meet cyber insurance MFA mandate. Use case 3, EBF. EBF is one of the largest system integrators in Germany. EBF is helping its clients to eliminate the risk of stolen credentials with AuthN by IDEE. Our channel partners are distributing our products to their clients all over the world. AuthN deployment is easy. Point, click, and you are secured. We can get you up and running in just 15 minutes. AuthN by IDEE is available on Microsoft Azure Marketplace, and you can try it today. All our 4 patents are completely granted. Businesses are so excited about AuthN by IDEE because we enable businesses to lower the danger of cyber risk to a point where reputational and financial damage can be averted. We enable CISOs with the trust and confidence to go to bed with both eyes closed. And we enable the employees to be more productive, knowing that they are no longer the weakest link. Above all, our clients are 3 times safer compared to those using other MFAs. And the end result is no phishing, no account takeover, no stolen credentials. Thank you, and I'm Dennis.